Hi, guys.
Oh, hi, Craig. What you doing? What you doing here? I thought you only come out on Christmas.
Oh, you see, I came back from vacation. Turns out Hotel Transylvania was a hotel. Oh, did you see the free cookies? They're really good.
That's Oh, there's the free cookies. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get them later. All right, I'm gonna go pick out a tree. Right, let's see which one's perfect. No, too small. Too chubby. What? This looks like a nice tree. Can we get that? I don't know. I have no idea. Maybe that might be a good tree. Let's hold on that one. Let's see. This is really catchy music. Ooh, it's getting cold. No, too short.
Hey,
What? You can talk?
of course I can talk.
Well, that was really weird. Look at the silly snowman with the stars on its belly. That's so cute. Now, what tree do I want? That's even shorter than the last one. No. Is this a good one? Let me back up. No, not really. Where could I find the perfect tree? Is this the same one? I think so. It's really chubby. I don't really like that one. Too short. I need something that's... I want a tree that's round. I want a tree that's tall. A little bit tall. Let's see. Which...
Look at me.
You can talk too?
Well, of course.
That's amazing. Where did you learn to talk?
Oh, you know, hanging out in the woods all day. Gotta do something.
Just so you know, I was just looking for the perfect tree.
Well, you found it. That's me.
Really?
Oh, yeah, look how straight my top is.
I think I found the perfect tree. Hey, Ray Tiny, get you out. We found the perfect tree.
Woo!
Yeah! Also, what are you doing here?
This is awesome.
Ow! Ow!
How is Hotel Transylvania?
A lot warmer than here.
Really? I expected it to be cold because it's gloomy there.
Well, it's raining, but it ain't cold.
So what do you think about this tree?
It's prickly.
I don't see any loose needles. Mr. Tree, what are you doing?
Dancing.
That was an awesome song. Nice lip syncing.
I don't have any lips.
Oh yeah, that's right, 'cause you're a skeleton.
Yep.
How much are you? Can I see your tag? Oh my gosh, it's on sale! Let's get that tree! Hooray, we found a tree! Again. Wait a minute, I think we or something. Now, if you excuse me, I'm gonna go look at this. I'm gonna go look at the wonderful statues over there. Okay. Are we? Oh, that's beautiful. A Buddha? Also, if you guys didn't know, Buddha's a Hindu god. Black bears with Santa hats? That's cute. Those are gorgeous. Maybe I could get this sometime. That's even better! The legendary Chinese dragon statue! Maybe a fox? Not really.